Good evening, and my name is Alex Gaither. My library research assignment was percent equations, percentages, and how to solve them, and the method to do so. So what I did was basically write out three different styles and the ways to go ahead and figure out these. So the first one, you have what is 25% of 60, 15 is what percent of 60, and 15 is 25% of what number. Um, they all sound similar, but there's three different ways of doing them. One of them you just have to remember to convert back to percentages. So I'm going to show you the first one. So the first one, you have, since we have the question mark, that's going to be your variable. And we said over here, like we said, is means equal sign. So we have n equals 25% of what number. But remember, since we are multiplying, because we have of here, multiplying, convert this to a decimal. So we're going to move the decimal to the left 2 times. 25% of 60. When you multiply that, 2.5 times 60, we get 15. So that's the answer for that one. So you would have n equals 0.25 times 60, which is 15, and that's how we got that for that number. Okay, let me show y'all here. Okay, on to the next one. 15 is what percent of 60? So here we have it again. 15 equals the variable, because we see, and the variable can be any letter. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Percent of, so we still have of, so it's going to be times 60. Okay. Or you can have just the variable and the 60 right here. So now we have to go ahead and divide to get the variable by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 60 here. And that's going to cancel it out, leaving n equals 15 over 60. Go ahead, divide that. You divide that, you have 2.5. And that's your answer for that one. So as you can see, what I did was 15 equal sign, variable of 60, multiplication sign, 60. Need to get the variable by itself. So we divide, cancel out, 15 over 60, divide that, 0.5. Oh, remember, I said also, remember one of these you had to convert it back. So this is the one that you convert. So I just caught myself. So with the decimal over, 25%. And there we go. Now we have the right answer. That's one thing you want to remember. Always check your work. So I'm glad I caught that. Okay, the next one, 15 is 25% of what number? So we have 15. 15 is, now we're going to convert it again, 2.5 of what number? So we have 25n, since it's of what number? get them by themselves. Gotta divide. Two point five, 2.5. This cancels out. 15 times 2.5. Excuse me, divided. We get 60. So that's how you have that. And that concludes my presentation for this library research and the methods and the simple formulas to solve them. I hope this has helped you a lot. Thank you. Bye.